That's right, guys. We got another TMG Volunteer on the single axle trailer rolling out of the shop today. This one going on man Sean. Now, slick setup here on our single axle trailer, guys. We build a narrow trailer on these, independent suspension in the rear. We got a double wheel jack up front, easy to roll in and out of your garage. This one did get our stainless steel front shelf as well. By the way, the trailer is powder coated, all right. We'll open up the Volunteer here. So this is a 128 gallon offset. We've got a water pan shelf off to the side here, bottom and top sliding trays. We got our fire poker in there as well. All right, we do have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. TMG Pitts Tell True thermometers, fold down stack, that is standard on the Volunteer. And we got the stainless steel logo on the side here. Built-in griddle top on top of the firebox, great option to add there. And on the firebox, we do use a 3/8 thick pipe, 26 inches deep, plenty of room to build your fire in there. On the back side of the trailer, we've got another stainless prep top, little storage room, finish off with a spare tire up front. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom trailer rig built, you know to call TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.